Yeah.
Yeah, amazing, yeah, amazing. So you have an amazing journey, like how you started coding, how Placewit helped you out. Later, your interview experience you already said, and at the point of selection, what was the feeling, that also we have discussed. So we have discussed a lot in this video. So at the end, I would like to ask that what was the advice that you will give to your younger self?
Yeah. So my first advice would be don't get depressed or distracted. Like believe in
Yeah.
yourself and keep doing the thing. Like I leave the coding in my second year and then again started in third year. So if I have not left the coding before, then I would be much better than current also. So that would be
Yeah.
my first advice, that don't leave it in middle and don't be depressed and believe in yourself. And my second advice will be like don't do question without actually thinking about the problem. Like we do x number of question and we target that I need to do x number of question, but instead of targeting number of question, we should analyze how the question is एक सेकेंड
हाँ चलेगा.
So instead of doing x number of question, we should think like how this problem can be approached and how I can solve another similar problem. So like if I am solving some question on greedy, so I should be able to do another similar problem or little change problem. So this should be mindset. Instead of doing the more number of question, we should analyze the types of question and focus on it, that how we can tackle it in future if it appears.